Jai Hind, how's the Josh? In this video, I will talk about an extraordinary experience the AIATC camp held at prestigious Indian Naval Academy, Ezimala, Kerala. It is a national level camp which is held every year in the month of January for a span of 10 days. It gives cadets a thorough insight about Navy. 170 SW and 25 SD cadets from across the country had privilege to be part of this camp. Now let me trip down memory lane and share this amazing experience with you. This camp was held at the most adventurous location of Indian Naval Academy campus, right in the dense forest. We were thrilled as this is the site where cadets of Indian Naval Academy have their camp. The inaugural ceremony was held in the presence of Brigadier Sir, who was Group Commander of Kerala Directorate. In his address, he welcomed us all and highlighted the key aspects of NCC. During this camp, we had effective lectures on first aid, firefighting, rigging, health and hygiene, etc. We also had interactive sessions with multiple officers. A galore of competitions were held, like boat pulling competition, drill competition and best cadet competition, firing competition at Arjun Buffalo Range, Indian Naval Academy, ship modeling competition, tug of war competition. The visit of INA was most exciting part of the camp. On our visit to Academy, we watched a documentary based on life of cadets in INA. We were fortunate to have a small tour of Academy, the classrooms, the massive and beautiful dining area, auditorium, swimming pools, practical classrooms and many more. We were also taken to horse riding arena. We also visited Mount Delhi Lighthouse, and view from the top of lighthouse was just spectacular. We also had a fun outing. We visited the famous Snake Park, Muthupun Temple, Payambalam Beach, St. Angelo's Fort, etc. As an intercultural exchange, we celebrated festivals like Pongal, Lohri together. The cadets enjoyed these festivals. Cultural programs were held daily after dinner. The competitions included solo singing, group singing, solo dance and group dance. There were a special performance by all SD cadets too. Have a look of small video. Cultural program and award ceremony was held at Ramanujan Auditorium of Academy. performed brilliantly were awarded by the commanding officer of camp. Cadets also interacted with principal of INA and other officers. Finally, here are some clips of CISR and ANOs who were working effortlessly for the success of this camp. Thank you. Jai Hind.